Students, today we will start present continuous tense. You know the situation about present is the present time, continuous is the time which is now which we are spending. Like continuously, I am giving you the example. I am speaking in front of you. I am making the video. I am telling you something. This is the continuous, which is in the progressive situation, you can say, and this is tense is the vakya. So in this present continuous tense, we normally find subject in the very beginning of the sentence. Like this is the sentence of a present continuous. This is the subject. Arjun is the subject. SMR. This is the helping verb. First form of verb, ing, and this is the object, attributes and object. So this type of sentence will be there when we start to make or we will see the present continuous tense. There is the subject, I repeat, SMR. First form of verb, ing, and the object. When we start or make passive from active, then we convert subject into object. SMR remains the same. And then we put being, be plus ing, be plus ing, this is the same ing here, plus third form of verb. As I have told you earlier, we always put third form of verb in all the sentences. Third form of verb by preposition and then the subject. Subject change into the object and object change into the subject. So this is the structure of the present continuous tense. Arjun is seeing a deer. Deer means hiran. Arjun एक हिरन देख रहा है means in the present time when we are talking, when we are talking about him, then he was seeing a picture or the deer, sorry. So this is the active form we have, and we have to change it into the passive form. Arjun is the subject here and it will go to the back, and the back sentence, the back word, like a deer, it will come in the very beginning. A deer, deer is singular. Arjun was also singular. A deer is MR, is being seen. Sees are seen. Seen by Arjun. Okay, and the second one is Parth is playing violin. Parth is the name of a boy and he is playing a violin. Presently he is playing a violin. Parth is the subject here. This is the helping verb. Play is the first form, ing shows the continuous tense, and violin is the object here. Then it will change into violin is being played by path. And the third one is negative. He is not eating apples. Eat plus eating apples. He is not eating apples. He is the subject here. It's not the name, but it's the pronoun. He is not eating apples. So apple is the object. It will become the subject. Apples. S is there. It means it's the plural. Apples are not being eaten by. He changed into him. He changed into him. I have told you how it changed. I changed into me. It's very important to note it down and to come to know about the sentences, how the words change. You remain same. Note again. He, him or his, she, her, it, they, them, and all that. And one more is we, us. Okay. So this is all about the present continuous tense. So there is no, it's not that lengthy or not that difficult as compared to the previous one, but it's easy to write if you know about the structure of the active passive or the present continuous tense. Now I am going to give you one or two sentences to write on. Number one is I am playing football. I subject, am helping verb, play plus ing, and football object. He is she is milking the cow. Boys are not eating their meal. So these are the four sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try to make all the four sentences by using the sentence structure of present continuous tense yourself in your notebooks. So I think it's enough for today. Okay, goodbye students.